morning, everyone. I am Soumya Kumari. Today, I am speak about computer memory. Computer memory in a storage data, intermediate result, and other programming and other information. Computer memory that can be divided into two parts: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is main memory of a computer, which is storage programming that are currently being used. Secondary memory that cannot currently begin used. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. This is Prashant Yadav from class 7 and I am here to speak about the AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which should make perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. AI is the art and science of developing machines which should... Sir, stop, sir. Rock dijiye, sir. Rock dijiye, sir.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Resma Khatun. Today I will speak about a computer memory. Computer memory device that is used to store data or program sequences of instructions on a temporary or permanent basis for a use in a electronic digital computer. Computer memory divided in two parts. First, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory also known as a internal memory. Secondary memory also known as a external memory. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Ajosh Kumar Singh. Today I am speak about computer memory. Computer memory is just like human brain. It is also known. It is used to store data and introduction. Two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory also known as internal memory. Secondary memory also known as external memory. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arifa. Today I am going to speak about computer memory. Computer memory is store information. It is used to store information. Sorry, sorry, sorry. My name is Arifa. Today, computer memory is storage device that is used to store information. It is divided into two parts: internal memory, external memory. Internal memory it is used to store data and information. For example, CD, DVD. And external memory is also known as primary memory. It is stored data long term. Example, RAM ROM. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anushka Kumari. Today I want to say about computer memory. Computer memory refers to the location of short-term data, while storage refers to the location of stored data in long-term basis. Computer memory is divided into two parts: primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. Primary memory is a section of computer memory that the CPU accesses directly. Primary memory has faster access time than the secondary memory. The example of primary memories are RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. Secondary memory is used to store data and informations. It can be transmitted. Secondary memory is also used by apps and services easily and quickly. The example of secondary memory is CPU, DVD, CD, etc. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to speak about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It developed in 1956 by M.C. Carter. It referred to the recreation of human intelligence in machine. It is an area of computer science where machines are designed to have human-like intelligence. AI is the field of conceiving, designing, and developing machine which should perform tasks. Tasks usually require human intelligence. It performs tasks like learning and problem solving. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Sir. 2 minutes. Surface. Good morning to all of you. My name is Singh Boswar. I am speak about the computer memory. There are two types of computer memory. It is computer memory is just like human brain. It is used to store data and intersect. There are two types of computer memory. First, primary memory. Second, secondary memory. Primary memory, also known as the internal memory. Internal memory example: RAM, ROM. Secondary memory is also known as internal memory. Internal memory, CD, compact.
Good morning to all of you. Today I will speak about the software. Software refer to till instruction of program that that our computer what to Software refer to that set or instruction or program that tell a computer what to do. It is a collection of data, instruction and algorithm that are used to operate and manage to control a computer hardware component. And in other words, software is the brain of a computer. There are three types of software: system software, application software, utilized software. That's all. Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to speak about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, refer to the simulation of human intelligence in machine data programmed to think, learn, and perform tasks typically requiring human cognition. This includes activities such as uh, understanding language, uh, requiring human cognition. This include activities understanding language, patterns, problem solving, decision making, and adapting to new impression. That's all.
So good morning to all of you. My name is Samar Kumar Saxena and today I am going to say about computer memory. A computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions in the computer. Computer memory is a storage space of a computer. It's called a computer memory where data is to be processed and instructions are stored. It's called a computer memory. There are two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. Primary memory is a computer memory which is used to store data instructions in a program. It's called a primary memory. It has a limited capacity to store. Uh, it has a limited capacity to store data and program where is to be power is switched off. Secondary memory. So secondary memory. Uh, So secondary memory is a memory which is used to store data and program in a computer for a long period of time. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. This is Prince Kumar Yadav from class 7 and I am here to speak about the computer's hardware. The physical components of a system is called hardware. These components are used to make a whole computer system. Even if the computers are built using different technology, our hand can touch the hardware equipment. We have studied about a number of hardware parts and that are like mouse, touchpad, keyboard, CD-RAM, hard disk, touchpad, CD drive. Thank you, that's all.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sadia. Today I am about a computer memory. Computer memory is a storage system that hold data and entry of a computer. Computer memory is a computer memory is a storage system that hold data and entries of a computer. There are two types of computer memory. Uh, first primary memory and second secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. That's all.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anas Siraj. I am speak about AI. AI stand for artificial intelligence. It is an area of computer science where machines are designed to have human-like intelligence. AI is the art and science of developing machines on intelligent. Sir, भूल गए. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is an area of computer science where machines are designed to have human-like intelligence. AI is the art and science of developing machines on intelligence algorithm that make them capable of thinking and acting and learning like human means it known as AI.
Good morning to all. I am going to speak about computer memory. Computer memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data instruction. Computer memory is used. Computer memory is a storage space of computer. Computer memory has two by primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory also called internal and secondary memory also called external memory. Internal memory example for RAM, random access memory from read-only memory. External memory example for CD compact disc and DVD disk. That's all.
Start.
AI stands for artificial intelligence. सर फिर से स्टार्ट कीजिए. Good morning to all of you. My name is Divyansh. Today I am speak about AI. AI stand for artificial intelligence is a fifth generation of computer. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of AI. It is human-like uh, and learning comprehension. So that's all.
Good morning to all of you. This is Harsh Singh. I am going to speak about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is developed in 1956 by John McCarthy. It is used to many sectors like healthcare, finance to entertainment and education. AI is simulation of human intelligence. AI includes machine learning and natural language process and robotics. AI made human lives in much easier in the professional world. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Suraj Kumar. Today I speak about a computer memory. A memory is just like a human memory. It is used to store a data and utilize a computer. Memory is store and space computer. There are two types of computer memory. First is primary memory and second is internal memory. Primary memory also is internal memory and secondary memory also is external memory. Primary memory is just example RAM, ROM, read only memory, read access memory. Secondary memory is example for CD, DVD. CD is compact disc and DVD stand for DVD, digital video disc. That's all. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. This is the Prashant Yadav from class 7 and I am here to speak about the AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Working on AI is the field of conceiving, designing and developing machines which tasks perform that usually require human intelligence. AI is the art and science of developing machines running on intelligent algorithms that make them capable of thinking and acting, learning like human beings. The term of artificial intelligence was first coined by Stanford researcher John M. McCarthy in 1956. In plain and simple words, the ability of a machine to think and learn is called artificial intelligence. That's all. Thank you.